How to withdraw from VProp Trader. So since there's no direct or manual button you can navigate to in order to withdraw, first of all, we're going to get the information on how to actually do this. Now, apparently it's actually by contacting them first, but let's just go ahead and reassure. But let's go here to the FAQ and just search for the withdrawal process. So first of all, on how you withdraw profits, you may request a withdrawal 14 calendar days after receiving your funded account. After each withdrawal, a new 14-day period must pass before another withdrawal. So how will you be able to request for a withdrawal? So you must first close all the trades that you have and then submit your request to their operations team. Withdrawals are reviewed within 1 to 2 business days and credited to your wallet. So expectedly to contact them, you can just go ahead and put in a ticket over here. Just go to my tickets and then press on the ad. You're going to go ahead and choose the category, let's say other, and just put in the description that you want to withdraw an amount. But if you have another way to contact them, maybe live chat or WhatsApp or Discord over here, or even the email support over here, then you should be able to get the process on withdrawing from your VProp Trader. But that's pretty much how you do this process. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.